Hey guys, it's Sabrina here, Jeanette Swag, and I just wanted to make a video, like sort of like a shout out to Jeanette. And today I got a direct message from her because I showed her, I took a picture of her, me, in my I Heart Jeanette McCurdy shirt. Wow. And I was surprised. She said I was very beautiful, and I don't know, but I just don't think myself is beautiful, but apparently a lot of other people do, so yeah. I just never really thought I was really that pretty, because I had never really started like putting on makeup and stuff till I was in like 7th grade, and I never really cared about my appearance, so I just always thought I was not really that pretty. But I guess I am from like a ton of you guys, so I just want to thank you guys for telling me that I'm like pretty and stuff. It makes me feel better inside about myself. It makes me so I don't feel like I want to kill myself every morning like I usually do. Just kidding. I never want to kill myself. That'd be stupid. That'd be really stupid. I would not want to kill myself. No. I'm not suicidal. And I'm gonna be, as you guys know, I'm gonna be going on the cruise on February 20th. For the Nickelodeon cruise, and it's gonna be in New York City. Me and my mom are gonna have to ride buses there. I hate buses because there's like fat, old, sweaty people on the bus, so it's gonna like suck. But it's gonna take about like 6 hours to get there, which is gonna even suck even more. But hey, it's worth it. Get to meet Jeanette McCurdy there, yo. So it's gonna like be a blast. I can slam my mom and I can pie her in the face. Just what I always wanted to do. Just kidding. Sort of. Well, sometimes me and my mom like argue a lot, but we eventually just get over it. And we'll just like look in the past and like laugh about it because there were like stupid reasons. And right now, I'm in my room. You want to see my wall of awesomeness? I totally like, sorry. Ugh, I'm getting on my bed. Well, I got an iCarly calendar, then boom, and my little pictures of Jeanette, and I need more. Look what I can do with my pinky. You hear that noise? It's like heart beating. I just got a text message. Woo. And so yeah, I want to make a shout out to Jeanette, and I just want to say that like, you are amazing, and you are my hero, and I'll always support you, and no matter what, I always try my best to support you. So, this shirt I made this shirt, well, I went to imagechef.com, and you can, like, put pictures on there and stuff, and there was an I Heart thing, so you can put, like, type it in I Heart New York City, or anything, or anybody or anything. So, I decided, since I'm going on the cruise to meet her, I'm sort of like, why don't I just make something like a shirt for her, like I Heart Jeanette McCurdy. So there's a store in Oswego, like 15 minutes away from here, and they make shirts with design. They can like put any design picture shirt on the shirt, any color. So I want to do pink because I like really like pink. So, and it actually turned out good. It was like $10. And the first time they made it, it was a complete epic fail. I just put it on, you know, doing my hair, gonna like take a picture and for it, not even noticing the shirt. I'm like, oh, it looks really good. So I go into my room, I just like stand by the doorway, and I'm just like looking at the shirt. I'm like, oh man, I really like this. I'm just like staring at the Jeanette name, and I'm just like, are you kidding me? They spelled Jeanette wrong. They put 1 T instead of 2. I'm just like, oh my god. So I had to wait like another 3 days to get the right shirt with the right saying on it. So, but it was worth it. They didn't give us an extra cost because my mom said she didn't want to pay another $10 if she had to fix it. Oh yeah, I like my hat. I was kind of wearing this like all day. I love this hat. I want to get a new one though. I want to get like a square flap one. So yeah, I just want to make a video because I haven't made a video of myself in like forever ago. Remember I did for the iStar Fanmore thing, and that kind of failed at the end. So, just want to give a shout out to Jeanette, J Mac, the Nerd Queen, and I'll always support you in every single possible way that I can. I want to get the CD. I'll buy the CD when it comes out, new singles. I buy songs off iTunes. I bought them and they're on my iPhone right now. Wouldn't buy them. I got them from Peter Duman on MSN. He sent me them so I didn't have to buy them. They were just like free, I guess, so I could put them on there. So I just wanted to thank you, Peter, for all the things you do for me, which I think it's pretty amazing. He made a fan fiction of me and Sam, which I thought was pretty cool, even though it's kind of rated M for stuff. Yeah. Alright, and I just wanted to make a shout out and stuff, so oh, and you like my fancy wall back there? I'll show you. Got some pretty snazzy stuff right there, you know. This is my Superman hat that I've like had since forever. A little bucket from Christmas with all this stuff on it. Something to set my iPhone on. My Taekwondo tournament trophies that I got. First place for board breaking, third place for sparring. That was pretty fun, actually. I went with my friend Cassidy, and it was amazing. That was spring sports. I did softball 2009-10, winter basketball 2009-10, and I got my trinkets up here, my can paddle, monster cans, this thing, oops, and this is from when I went to South Carolina. I went to Carowinds with my cousins, and back here is just something for zoo camp, and I have another Beanie Bear thing there for some reason. And I got Japanese extreme sport stuff for airsoft. And I got 21 Black empty cool bottle. And see, I got all these animal knickknacks and this little dinosaur just sleeping. And that's something I made in art. As you can see, the R is with Jeanette McCurdy in some of her songs. And I think it's funny because I'm like the only McCurdian in my school. Like literally, I asked everybody, like a lot of my friends. They're like, I'm just like, hey, do you know who Jeanette McCurdy is? Who's that? I'm just like, oh my god, are you kidding me? Though, like some will know, just like Sam from iCarly. I'm just like, don't you know about her music? I mean, they obviously don't know good music if they don't know her music. So, oh yeah, and just random, my Taekwondo belts, white, yellow, green. I have my blue one somewhere, because I'm a blue belt right now, and I got a sign there. Me when I was a little baby. So yeah, I kind of just like showed you my room and stuff, and I just gave a shout out, so. And I will be making a video for when I go to the meet and greet on the cruise, and my having fun on the bus ride. I hope there's not creepers on the bus. Or sweaty fat people. They scare me. Sweaty fat people do scare me though. So I guess I'm gonna go right now because it's like 10 o'clock at night and I'm supposed to be in bed for school tomorrow. So I'll talk to you guys later then. See you later.